Wedge tornado on the ground right there. That's a giant wedge. Oh my gosh, that's big. That is a huge wedge tornado. Huge wedge tornado. I've done called it into the National Weather Service in Norman. Oh my goodness, it's huge. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, that's a big one. I pray to God there's nobody around there. That is a huge tornado. Wow, that's a big one. See if I can zoom in and you can still see it. Oh yeah, there we go. Nice. Large wedge. Looks like it's got some vortices around it. Oh my. Wow. Dude, I'm on it too. It's huge. It's oh my dude. Oh my goodness. I'm on the highway just east of Canton, that one that runs parallel, and it's huge, dude. It's at least a half. All right, bye. Man, that is, oh my goodness, I've never seen a tornado. This is the biggest tornado I've ever seen. Just beat my Ark City tornado. Wow. Huge tornado. Oh my goodness, this thing's gonna grow even bigger. Oh no, it's huge. It's absolutely huge. Wow. It's got to be close to 3/4 of a mile wide. I'm actually gonna have to zoom out because it's getting so big, and it's starting to get a little rain wrap. But you can see the back edge. Oh, that's actually all of it right there. Man. That, oh my goodness, that's all the tornado right there. That's huge. Absolutely huge. That's the tornado right there. At least a mile wide. At least a mile wide tornado. Oh my goodness. That thing is gargantuan. Dadgummit. Still see it? Yeah. Oh my goodness, it's huge. Alright, I'm gonna move south.